I will compare the new Samsung Galaxy A55 with Huawei P60 Pro. Samsung Galaxy A55 comes with 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Huawei P60 Pro 6.67 inches LTPO LED display and success ratio 21:9. Samsung Galaxy A55 run on the Android 14 operating system. Huawei P60 Pro run on the Harmonious operating system. Samsung Galaxy A55 it comes with 8GB 12GB RAM and 128GB 256GB internal storage. Samsung Exynos 1480 processor and GPU X chipset 513. Huawei P60 Pro it comes with 8GB 12GB RAM and 256GB 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 8 GPU Adreno 730. Samsung Galaxy A55 real set triple camera setup 50 MP plus 12 MP plus 5 MP, front camera 32 MP. Huawei P60 Pro real set triple camera setup 48 MP plus 48 MP plus 13 MP, front camera 13 MP. Samsung Galaxy A55 5000 mAh battery, 25W fast charging support. Huawei P60 Pro 4815 mAh battery, 80W fast charging support.